In automation systems, every detail counts. Yet often overlooked are the details ensuring safety and efficiency. When sourcing your project components from Automation Direct, remember the essentials, like the top-tier wiring innovations from Murrplastik. The ZL-AB series discharge plates and DIN rail-mounted EMC cable clips offer swift termination of cables with accessible grounding, crucial for mitigating harmful EMI. And for seamless cable management, consider Murrplastik's FHS series electrical conduit kits. Ideal for already terminated cables, these kits offer all-inclusive solutions: corrugated conduit, mounts, straps, and end grommets. From termination to cable management, Murrplastik solutions ensure your automation builds are efficient and protected. Upgrade your projects today at Automation Direct.